set up a Facebook business page, you will need to be logged into your personal Facebook account. And to start, we're going to go to Home. And you'll need to find the orange flag that says Pages. Sometimes you might need to click See More. And it might be down in the list somewhere, but mine's here. To create a new page, you'll need to click Create New Page. To page name, should be something with your name. Sometimes names can be taken, so throwing 716 in there might get it accepted. The green check mark means it's accepted. Category will be real estate agent. And then a bio, something short and simple that catches people's eyes. It doesn't have to be anything too extreme. Something like that, and it will appear underneath your name on your business page. Push Create Page when you're done. You put your contact information in. If you have the Delta website set up, you should put that in. I'm just going to put the MJ Peterson website and your phone number that you conduct business with, and then same with your email. You want that to be an email you use for business as well. Location, that should be your office address so people know where you're working from. Hours, I just click no hours available, so nothing's displayed. But if you don't want to get phone calls at a certain time, you can always edit and add your hours here. Or just say always open. It's your preference, but I'm gonna go with no. This step, we're gonna add our headshot and our cover photo. We have a bunch of different cover photos on the Marketing Hub. If you don't like one, we can make you one. We change them seasonally. You can reformat where your cover photo is by dragging on the left-hand smaller image. And then to add an action button, I suggest send message, call now, or contact us if you want to include your Delta website link. I'm going to leave it as send message, so if someone has a question, they'll message me on Facebook. And then click next again. If you have a WhatsApp account, you would connect it. We don't have one of those, so I'm going to skip. And then this is also another chance you can add friends to your page while you're setting it up. These are all your friends on your personal account. You can include them one by one, or you can do select all, and then they can all be selected. Depends on who you want to invite, or if you want to do this step. I highly recommend doing this step. It will be an easy way to gaining followers. And push next. Once you're done and satisfied there, I would leave these settings as is. And now your page is made. It will prompt you if you want to take a tour. I would suggest taking a tour if you've never used Pages before. That's totally up to you. On the side, it tells you just some things that they suggest you do to finish setting up your account. Like a welcome post is very important. Adding your friends, that's another place you can add friends if you skip the step before. This is intro is where you would edit your bio, your contact information. You can add hobbies. Adding hobbies is a good idea, just in case it kind of gives people more of a feeling that you might be relatable to them. You travel, you like cooking, sports like football, you like to participate in some sort of clubs, book clubs perhaps, and then you just push save. This is how the page will look when you start. There's really nothing happening, but that's why you go to the Marketing Hub, you get just sold, just listed posts created for your listings. You get just some general information that we have on there that you can share and post. You can also automate posting through your Delta website for different articles. There will be a different tutorial on that. When you go to the About section, this again, you can change your contact information. If you have an Instagram, you would add social link, and then your username of your Instagram account, or if you have a Twitter, Snapchat, any type of social media you want people connecting to, this is where you would add that, and just make sure you push save. Just some more information about work related. If you speak another language, you can add movies you like, TV shows, books, just things that people can relate to. If you get tagged in a post from someone else, this will be where it will show up. Your reviews, if you have a client leave a review on your Facebook page, they will be displayed here for people to see. Once you start gaining followers, you'll have people there as well. Your photo albums, you can make a new album here, you just click that. And then you name your album, you upload your photos, and then it would be displayed similar to these. And more, there's just a bunch of different tabs you can check out. It's really up to you what you want to do. But we'll do a post quick, we'll do a welcome post. So we'll just say, welcome to my new page. You can change how you feel. Feeling fantastic. You can add a photo here. Add the message button right here. It's totally up to you. We're just going to post it. And we'll just refresh the page. And then there's our post. Our welcome post we just did, and it reused our Facebook header. And this will be in people's timelines when you go to the home page.